In this tutorial, I'll be using Blender 3.6. First, I'll import the XPS files into Blender using XNALara. Switch to viewport shading so you can see the mesh textures. Next, hide the armature. Then, I'll export this XPS file to FBX. After that, I'll reset Blender by going to File, New, General, and choose Don't Save. Press X to delete the default cube. Now, go to File, Import, and select the FBX file I just converted. When I switch to viewport shading, you'll notice the textures don't appear on the mesh. This means the XPS to FBX conversion has failed. So now, let me show you the correct way to properly convert XPS to FBX in Blender 3.6. First, reset Blender again. Import the XPS files with XNALara. Switch to viewport shading to view the textures, hide the armature, then click on it. You'll see there are 3 armatures, which means the model contains 3 meshes. These are the ones we'll be converting next. Head over to the Shading tab. Right now, the model is using XPS shader. We are going to replace it with Principled BSDF instead. So click Add, Shader, Principled BSDF. At first, the body texture might look like it's missing, but don't panic. Just delete the old XPS shader, then reconnect the texture surface to the BSDF model. Repeat the same process for the other 2 meshes. Make sure every mesh is now using the Principled BSDF shader. Once everything looks good, go to File, Export FBX. I'll name this one Test 2. Now, let's test it. After that, I'll reset Blender by going to File, New, General, and choose Don't Save. Delete the default cube by pressing X. Next, import the FBX file we just exported. Switch back to viewport shading, and there you go. All the meshes still have the textures exactly the way we want. And that's it. You have successfully converted an XPS file to FBX in Blender 3.6 without losing any textures. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Blender tips. Thanks for watching.